Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I am coming on with a super quick video. So I have been thinking about Hobonichi Weeks for a long time. At first I was like, I'm never going to get that. That is not my style. But then it kind of been growing on me. But I never thought that I would go ahead and get it. But after seeing all these unboxings, I'm just real curious about it. So I have like a the slim happy planner that I take with me all the time. It lives in my purse. So I thought, well, maybe I can switch to this. Maybe this would be even smaller, because that slim, of course, is smaller than the big planner, but it's still kind of heavy. It kind of weighs down my purse. So I said, I'm gonna try this and see if I like it. All right. I didn't know when their release was or anything. So, of course, everything is sold out on the actual Hobonichi website, but you are able to get some on Amazon. So I picked one out, but I thought that I would share how Amazon does it versus what you've been seeing on the unboxing on the Hobonichi Weeks from the Hobonichi people. All right, so I opened it so I can make sure that that's what that was, because I do have a couple other things. So that's literally how it comes. All right, and they do protect it a little bit, like they have it inside a box, you know. So there is my Weeks, and I got the one, even though at first I thought this was sushi till I saw someone else say that it was desserts. I was like, oh. But I've never had either one, so but I just really like this. I thought it was really pretty. And even though the Weeks is so small, you could see it on video, it really doesn't do it justice. This is really small. And so I'm going to see if it works for me. This would be nice if it works. So I also have a cover, the little clear cover. Now, it looked better online. I thought it's very pretty, but for some reason it was more rich and vibrant, the ones that I was seeing online. But I'm not unhappy. It just, I don't know, it wasn't what I expected. But the thinness is even thinner than I expected. And so we'll just take a look at this advertisement. All right, and then let's see. So, and it does look like it lays completely flat. This is interesting. And so, you know, I'm looking at this and I've seen unboxings and stuff like that, but you really can't appreciate how small this is until you actually have it. And I'm thinking, wow, that's tiny. But I really want to see if I'm gonna be able to use it, because I do kind of write big. But let's see, I'm very interested to see if I'm gonna be able to do this. All right, so it goes to March of 2024. Good Lord. Okay. Huh. All right, I thought it was going to stop at January 2024. Okay. So we got November 2022. I didn't appreciate that either. I thought it was going to start at January. So the website says a January start, but you have November and December. See, I'm totally new to this, as y'all can tell. So I didn't know. All right, so now, even though I've watched several unboxings, I guess I just didn't pick up on that part. And so this goes all the way to, now the weeks part looks like it goes all the way to January. Okay. And then you got abbreviations, and then you got the notes. Heard a lot of people talking about the notes. And that is too many of the notes. I don't know. I think I'm going to try to use it. All right. And then we have how you measure things. And we have favorites. I just love that it lays flat like that. I'm interested. Okay, and then we got my 100 favorite things. I actually am interested in doing this, because your family can look back on this later. And this, I wonder what I'm going to use that for. And, oh, and then you get the little card. And it is just, it feels like copy paper. It doesn't even feel like cardstock. But then information about the artist, they say that what that is. And then you got the little pocket. So I do have a clear cover that's coming. And then I went on Jet Pens. Now, they didn't have any of the Hobonichi Weeks actual covers, but they had another systems cover, and I'm hoping that it fits it. But it was like last chance sale. So anyway, that is all I had to share today, guys. So I am now on the Hobonichi train. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.